This is my first time snowshoe backpacking and first time with a sled. Yes, this is my daughter's sled. That's neither here nor there.
It's gonna be solid almost all the way out to that shelf, I think. Thick, but careful, there's a first hole that I dug, so just don't step in it. All right. It should be a little on your right, and then
So what we're going to try and do is get a Siberian log fire going. So what that is a large base log going perpendicular to the other logs that you lay down. And then once we get the fire going, we'll be able to feed those other logs in throughout the night so we don't have to work extra hard to cut this firewood. So after we get that raging, we'll add these longer logs onto that big one.
Oh, now you're living.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this is how to actually send and receive messages. Use Find My, Roadside Assistance, or Emergency SOS on the iPhone 15. So right now I am standing on a frozen lake at my site and simply connect to satellite. Turn around to find satellite. And we're connected. So from here, you can send and receive messages and do all that stuff. So if I wanted to send a text, like I just did, I sent, it says via satellite, and I was able to receive a text and send another one. It works very well. And that's even with pretty overcast, socked in conditions. Got a couple options for beer today. I have Wandering in the Snow, which is a double dry hopped double India Pale Ale with lactose and marshmallows. I've never even heard of that. That is from Abomination Brewing. These three beers, I have to give a shout out to Ashtown Brewing in Longview. Jarrett hooked me up with Wreckless, Double Hazy IPA, Hefe Razz'n, and Golden Sombrero. So if you are ever in the Pacific Northwest near Longview, go check out Ashtown. They make great beer. All right, we're gonna try this Wandering into the Snow. Very curious about the lactose and the marshmallows. Let's give this a whirl. It smells like an IPA.
Yeah, it does.
Ooh. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
All right. Abomination Brewing. Well done.
Yeah, it's got like the sweetness of a marshmallow.
Yeah.
But like the lactose of like a milk stout. Oh, dude, look.
Oh, that's sweet.
Sun's coming out.
Golden Sombrero from Ashtown with pad thai with chicken from Mountain House.
I do love a good Mexican beer.
Yeah.
Summertime, little lime wedge.
All right, let's try this pad thai.
feel like pad thai is usually winter. Winter?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
It's hard to tell because when you're out here, everything tastes phenomenal.
That is true. Pad thai is very good. I recommend that. Good job, Mountain House. Also, Golden Sombrero, Mexican style lager, very refreshing. Time for the Hefe Razz'n. Gonna do the honors. Cheers. Time for the last one. This is the Wreckless Double Hazy. So this beer is in honor of Justin DeRozier. He was a Cowles County Sheriff's Deputy that died in the line of duty in 2019. So here's to Justin DeRozier. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ashtown came out with this beer shortly after Justin was killed, and a portion of the proceeds from this beer go to Behind the Badge Foundation. Update on the Siberian log fire. It's not a super tall fire by any means, but it's very warm and it's slow burning, which is great for winter because it means you don't have to keep stoking it or putting a bunch of small stuff on it. We still got decent lengths of wood to go throughout the night. It's 8:50 p.m. This is the condition of the fire. It's done a pretty good job of a slow burn, but staying nice and hot. It's been a very good winter fire. The fire did a pretty good job. I only had to wake up once around 1 and stoked it, and then got up at 7 and was able to get it started again. So I'm definitely going to be trying that fire again. We just got absolutely dive bombed from
may have
snow.
toasted our fire.
Yeah, I had a huge chunk go in my coffee.